The abortion insurance law has taken effect in Michigan. Michigan residents who buy healthcare coverage in the private marketplace now will have to pay extra if they want abortion coverage, even if a pregnancy is the result of rape and incest. I may have said that wrong. If you buy the coverage in the private market, you may not have coverage at all. And if you have an insurance through your employer, then you have to pay a rider for abortion coverage, even in cases of rape and incest. It's estimated to cost about 32 cents per month. This state law, which we discussed back when it was a bill, has gone into effect. It prohibits insurance companies from covering abortion services unless customers purchase separate add-ons called riders to their insurance plans ahead of time. The insurers had to tell the state last month whether they were going to be offering and selling these abortion riders. 7 companies will be doing this as part of employer-based plans, according to department spokesman Caleb Buse. That means that if you purchase an individual insurance plan, either outside of the employer-connected insurance system or outside of the federal healthcare exchange, you simply will not be able to have insurance coverage for abortion services. The Abortion Insurance Opt-out Act was passed in December by the Republican-controlled legislature of Michigan. Proponents say that this protects those who object to their premiums going to fund abortion services. Opponents say this is an obvious threat to women's health. It limits access to a procedure that, as we've discussed on this program, is both legal and constitutionally protected. Democrats have labeled it the rape insurance bill because it would basically force women to buy abortion coverage ahead of time in case they are ever raped. You essentially need to have rape insurance if you, at any point, for whatever reason, might want to pursue abortion services. This is so ridiculous, Lewis. Imagine that I say, you know what? I don't smoke. I think smoking is morally wrong. And I don't want my premiums paying for people who smoke cigarettes and need lung transplants, long-term care for emphysema, other related conditions. I object to that. Would that ever fly?
No, not today. Not today. It wouldn't.
And if you say it's for religious purposes and there's no religious point of view against smoking cigarettes, then this is even more bogus because this is specifically related to religious objections over abortion procedures. And the counter argument here from the other side might be, well, hold on a second, David. Abortion is optional, not medically necessary. Hold on a second. Smoking, which causes all of these medical conditions, is also an optional thing that people are choosing to do. What if vasectomies go against religious beliefs, right? Because you believe God doesn't want you doing anything which would limit your ability to conceive a child. If you ever might want a vasectomy, now you need to have a vasectomy rider. This is absolutely ridiculous, and it is an example of religion invading what should be a non-religious legal and medical system.
Right. It's incredible when you think about it, what they have to come up with and what they have to do to obstruct what is happening here. I mean, forcing people to add an extra 30 cents a month to their plan.
Just to make the people who object to abortions feel better that they're not funding. And this is so ridiculous because those people are paying into so many other pools, risk pools, where there's no question that stuff they don't like is being funded by their payments.
Right. It's just obstructionism. It's just how difficult can we make things for these people because that's what we want to do.
Subscribe to our channel, new videos every day. Forget about boring corporate media. Click below to subscribe.